Why did I bring the baby and the dog to the poison store? Oh, how am I going to get us all across this river? A boat! Oh, we're too heavy. Let's see, I need to get the baby, the dog, and the poison across the river, but I can only take one thing at a time. I can't leave the baby alone with the poison, and I can't leave the dog alone with the baby. Can't someone help me with this puzzle? Professor Frank, help me figure this out! Yo, over here!
What? Oh.
Great time to nap, Einstein. Okay, Maggie, dog, poison, you're all involved, so listen up. First, I row Maggie over, leaving the dog and the poison. Then I row back alone, take the poison over, and bring Maggie back. Then I take the dog over, come back, get Maggie, row across, and before I know it, I'm back at home. Huh? Were you listening at all?
Sir, I'd be obliged to you if you'd help me puzzle out my fox, duck, and corn situation. Well, the puzzle done puzzled itself out.
Now I need to leave you where you'll be safe, under the watchful eyes of God. And I'll be watching you too in case God's busy making tornadoes or not existing. I see you! I see you! I see... Huh?
Look at that. One of God's discarded miracles.
Ah! Catholics!